What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about customization and how to get more than one watch out of just one watch, if that makes any sense. Let's get started. Let's go. All right, YouTube. So a lot of customization available with these watches, especially with the 6900 series, 5600 series, and some of the other models. So just so you know, a lot of these watches share the same parts. Now, the good thing about that is that if you can't afford to buy a lot of watches, you can pretty much buy one watch and customize it using parts from authentic or even third-party sellers. So the way it works is that you pick a model you like. For example, here's a 6900 model right in front of me. You can see here that all these watches share the exact same parts. With the exception of the module that's inside, some of these have an old 1289 module and some have the 3230 module. Aside from that, the bezel right here, the bands right there, and all the buttons around have the same exact specs, which means, yes, you got it right, fun with customization. Color swapping, bezels, bands, inner components such as the dials, all can be swapped out to make your own custom designs. You have an outfit you want to wear, but you don't want to buy more watches, just buy the bands for this watch and swap them out as you see fit. Here I have some different colorways. We have some grays, reds, blues, and this is the transparent blue. Same with the bands, yellow bands. I have a bunch of other different bands available. And here I have some other options here. Let's say, for example, you only have this watch here and you think, man, I want to, customize this watch. I want to wear it, but I don't have any blue outfits, or maybe I want to wear it and turn it black or turn it white or whatever the case may be. Very simple process, guys, and I'll walk you through that here. All you have to do is remove 4 of these screws right on top there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove those 4 screws and the bezel pops right off. Very simple process. Same with the band. Push on the push bar there, the spring bar on both sides to remove the bands, and now you're free to swap out any color you want on these bands and bezels. Now, okay, fine, you have the watch and you want to find parts for this watch, and how would you go about doing that? The answer is also very simple. Go to packparts.com, www.packparts.com. I'll put that on the screen. I'll also put it on my description. And go to Google and Google DW6900. You'll see variants of this model and different color variations. You'll take that model number, pop it into the Pack Parts website under model search, and there you'll be able to sort different bands and bezels for this particular model. Then the simple process is just to place that band and bezel onto this watch, and you have now a custom different color watch at a fraction of the price. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing that because these are authentic OEM parts from Casio, which means you're going to be paying OEM authentic Casio part prices. So to save yourself some money, check out different other websites like, Fleabay and third-party vendor websites like Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, Mercari, and you could buy these watches at a cheaper price, and then you'll have different parts you can swap between the same model watch. This also applies to the 5600 watch, which shares the exact same band and bezel for that watch model. Same with all the variants of this Gshock collection. Look around. There's different model numbers that share the same parts. All you got to do is try to stick with the same model number and then swap out parts accordingly. So, for example, here we go, and I'll show you how easy it is. Here's my little trusty screwdriver, mechanical one, because I hate using the manual one. It's so tedious, but it works nevertheless. Remove this screw here. This one. That's 2. Make sure you don't lose those screws. You'll be needing those. And they're not inexpensive. They're pretty pricey for a screw. Okay. So that one. Here, there. All right. And now that you got the screws off, it's very simple. Gently, without damaging the bezel here, you're gonna push this over the button like so on both sides. You want to do that. Lift it over, and voila. Off comes the bezel, and you're free to customize this as you see fit. For example, here we have this beautiful red one. Line up those light buttons, fit those in there like that, and then pop this right over the other buttons right there. And boom, there you have it. Already a nice blue and red colorway G-Shock watch, right? And you could do that with all these colors, yellows and blues and oranges. Feel free to let your mind run wild. Looks really good. Customizing these watches, and you can wear them with your sneakers and your different kind of running shoes or whatnot, or whatever you have that you're wearing. In case you don't have that color variation that matches your outfit, you could turn your watch into anything you like. Here's some pictures of the 4 watches I have here. For example, I have the polarized yellow, the MM2 blue, the Smurf, the MM2 orange. I'm sorry, the MM4. This is the MM4, the orange one. And then I also have the CS with the nice, it's got that star pattern on the dial there, orange bezel, blue accents right there with the green band keeper. And you could also remove this here, the buckle, swap out band keepers. If you're crazy for that, you can also do that as you see fit. All right, here's some pictures of some of the different customizations. I think just using these 4 watches, I swapped out some parts. Actually, my buddy did. I won't take credit for it, but I was playing with it. All right, guys, and before I forget, I'll also show you a video of the actual pack parts and how to go about ordering the parts. Just be patient. It does take some time to get them ordered, and some parts are restricted, especially the collaborations. They don't want you tinkering with those parts. The non collaborations, the standard releases are pretty much easier to get, but it does take it takes a few weeks to get them. So plan ahead. So yeah, like I said, swap these out, make these look however you like, and have a blast. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy that. It's a fun way to stay busy and let your imagination run wild on how you want to swap these out and make them your own. Till next time, this is Chicago. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out of here. Peace.
My Gshock, I'm rocking my Gshock. 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 I'm rocking my Gshock.